In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Analytics for a specific page. Whether you're a business owner, a digital marketer, or just someone curious about the performance of a particular page on your website, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Knowing how to access this valuable data helps you better understand your audience, gauge your content's effectiveness, and ultimately improve your site's performance. We'll ensure that this is a simple and straightforward task, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to the Google Analytics website. You can find it by searching for Google Analytics or by visiting analytics.google.com directly. This is where you'll be accessing all the insights and data regarding your web traffic. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign in to Analytics. You'll need to enter your Google account credentials here to access your analytics data. Make sure you have the right account linked to your Google Analytics, especially if you manage multiple websites. After signing in, you're directed to the Google Analytics home. This dashboard gives you a brief overview of your website's performance. But to check the stats for a specific page, we need to venture a bit further. On the left sidebar of the dashboard, you'll encounter a series of options. You'll want to locate and click on Reports. This is your gateway to more detailed analytics data. In the Report section, scroll through the menu until you spot an option labeled Engagement. Clicking on this will expand a sub-menu where you'll find Pages and Screens. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on Pages and Screens, you're presented with a list of pages and the corresponding data associated with them, such as total views and user engagement metrics. Now find the page you're interested in by either browsing through the list or using the search field if available to quickly locate it. Upon selecting the desired page, you should see a detailed breakdown. This includes metrics such as page views, unique visitors, average time spent on the page, and more. Understanding these metrics can significantly impact how you manage and optimize your website content. For example, if you notice a high bounce rate on a particular page, it could indicate that something is amiss, driving visitors away. On the other hand, a page with a high average engagement time could be performing well and should be analyzed to identify what's working and why. By following this guide, you've learned how to access specific page analytics in Google Analytics, empowering you with knowledge to make informed decisions about your web content strategy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.